Díochmhaith. In this Irish language video, we're going to look at some parts of the human body in Irish, and I'm going to show you how to construct a few short and simple sentences in terms of saying you're sick or injured using the body parts that we've learned. So let's start off with this word here, ceann. Ceann is the Irish for head, ceann. Tá pein i mo cheann. I have a pain in my head. Tá pein i mo cheann. The next word is Srón. Srón is the Irish for nose. Srón. Bhí mo thrón pluachta. My nose was blocked. Bhí mo thrón pluachta. The next word is Scornach. Scornach is the Irish for throat. Scornach. Tá mo Scornach ag Rúitín. My throat is getting sick, or my throat is beginning to get sore. Tá mo Scornach ag Rúitín. Next we have the Irish for back, which is Droim. Droim. Tá a Droim nimneach. She has a sore back, or her back is painful. Tá a Droim nimneach. Next is Rúitín. Rúitín is the Irish for ankle. Rúitín. Bhí a Rúitín ag at. His ankle was swollen. Bhí a Rúitín ag at. So I'd like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and I'll be back very soon with another video. Slán tamil.